chilly day here in Ottawa, and I'm back again to show you guys another exhibition here at the Canadian Museum of Nature. I want to show you guys all the animals and the history and all the cool stuff, all the interactive experiences, so you guys could have fun like I'm having fun. And guys, take a moment to hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like this type of content. See you inside. So we're just getting in right now. I'm at the main entrance, and you can see that this place is massive. If you have a look above, you'll see a giant globe. That looks super cool. Guys, if you're ever in Ottawa, this is the place to be. As soon as you get in, you'll already start seeing some dinosaurs. Some old fossils. Look at that giant turtle. And you have Jurassic Park right here, looking wild. Guys, this place is looking wild. Look at this. Serious dinosaur. I'm so much smaller in comparison. Like, imagine we still had these walking around. How frightening it would be. How crazy it would be. Look at those eyes, guys. Look at that. So wild. Even the details are insane. Whoa. Whoa. This is what's called the dawn horse, and it's one of the early horses. And it was around 57 million years ago. Let's have a look at some live bugs. That looks like a giant cockroach. And they're chilling in their colony. Let's do a little scientific experiment and look at these on a microscope. You can see on the computer. The Canadian Museum of Nature celebrates Canada's rich natural history, and I can't wait to show you guys more. Stay tuned. This is the impact we have on the environment when we throw plastic all over the place. It ends up in the ocean. You can see all the trash we throw out inside this net. museum is a historical building showcasing impressive Beaux-Arts design, and you can see it all behind me. It has these church-like windows, which looks pretty cool. So I'm in an open space right now. I'll show you guys around. You can see some Canadian beavers here. They look pretty cool. These are teen grizzly bears, and they're searching for food. And we have a lot of these in Canada, and they're very dangerous. You never want to cross paths with one of these. All those tricks in the book don't work. If you climb a tree, they'll follow you. If you lay on the ground, they'll shred you apart. So the best thing to do is just to avoid them altogether. They have so much fur, and look at those claws. Serious. These right here are cougars, and the mammal has babies every couple years, and they only get a few. And you can see the babies playing next to a stream. They look pretty cool. These are snow bunnies, and they live in extreme weather, and you can see all the fur. They come out to look for food, and then they go back into their holes, and they love to blend in the environment. These are Canadian wolves and buffaloes. So you can see the predator and the prey going at each other. And these buffaloes are humongous. So huge. And look at that fur. Crazy. It's getting ready to fight back. And you can see the colony in the back. And the wolves are getting ready to eat.